Hey there, so if you're watching this video, I assume you've seen that the new NationBuilder Donation V2 template does not out of the box fit very well with the NationBuilder mega theme that you purchased from me. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to fix that. Pretty much if you have created a NationBuilder Donation V2 page, it's going to look something like this, which is obviously not ideal. So let's get started. The first thing that we want to do is download the files that you need to then upload into your theme. So on the page that you're watching this video on, below the video, you'll see a blue button that says download files. Let's go ahead and click that to download the files. This is going to download a zip folder onto your computer. You want to make sure you unzip that before you try to upload the files. So I have now unzipped this. You cannot see this on the video, but I unzipped it on my computer. So now I have access to the two individual files inside the folder that we downloaded. The next thing we want to do is we want to upload the files into the theme. So on the main backend page for your website that's using the theme, let's click Theme, and then let's click Files. And then we'll click Select Files to upload, and we'll upload the two files that we just downloaded. Let's go ahead and hover over these arrows and publish them. Click Publish Changes and then Sure. Great, so we've uploaded the necessary files. The next thing that we need to do is we need to connect the files to the theme. So we need to first go open up _nm-theme.scss. For me, this is at the very top. You can use a Control F or a Command F, depending on whether you're on Windows or Mac, to find this file. Let's go ahead and open it. And then let's navigate to the page you're watching this video on. Underneath the video again, we're going to see code block for nm-theme.scss. Let's copy the code, it's really not a block, it's a code snippet. Let's copy that code snippet. And then back in the actual file for your theme, let's basically scroll down to about the very bottom. And for this specific theme, it's on line 117. For your theme, it might be slightly different, but you're looking for this little chunk of code that says custom styling. Let's create a couple of lines underneath that and then paste in the code snippet that we copied. So again, all we've really done is pasted in this code snippet. Let's save and publish changes. Great, so now we've imported the styles that we need. Let's go back to Files. And now let's open up layout.html. We see that right here. Let's go ahead and open this, and let's navigate back to the page that you're watching this video on. Again, underneath this video, you're going to see a much bigger chunk of code. Let's go ahead and copy that. And then back in the actual theme file, let's scroll down. For this theme, it's on line 26 to line 36. For your theme, it might be slightly different, but really what we're looking for is this chunk of code that begins if page type slug equals endorsement and ends with an end if followed by a line break. Let's highlight that entire chunk of code and then paste in, replacing it with the chunk of code that we copied. Let's click Save and Publish Changes. Great. And the last thing that we need to do is we need to go to the file _columns_1.html. Let's go ahead and open that. And all we need to do, again, for your theme, it might be slightly different, but for my theme, it's line 5, and we're looking for this line of code. All we need to do is replace the two equal signs with the word contains. Be very careful that there's still a space before and after the word contains, or else it'll break it. Then we'll click Save and Publish Changes, and that was the last step. So now let's go ahead and view the new donation page that we created, and we'll see that it looks, or it's at least ready to look like the rest of the templates on the theme if you added some content. So we'll go ahead and reload this page. Give it a second to load because it's taking in all this new code that we just did. Cool. So now the template matches the theme, and you should be good to add content over here on the left. You should be good to add a payment processor and start accepting donations using this template.